Yo, it's hatredsoul, and today we're jumping into glow vibes. We're gonna make a few beats in style of Rugrat, Swapa, Ian, and other artists with that kind of sound who are pushing this scene right now. I'm with the 77 in this video, and we put together a list stash. All the sounds I'll be using are from the pack. Also, I'm gonna drop some souls on the loop processing. Along the way, we'll explain what the sounds is based on, what we use, and how to make it swaggy and fly without extra noise. And maybe I'll even show a verse at the end or hop one of the beats if the vibe hits. Definitely join my Telegram channel. I post beats, memes, exclusive stuff, giveaways, and etc. All the links in the description, and let's get it. Alright, now let's arrange it and mix it real quick. And let's just throw it into the mixer channel, because that's how I like to work. And we'll drop in some processing from our stash. Okay, for now let's consolidate it and let's go for the beat. And let's figure out the drums. And for the second part, we can just switch up the 808 for some uniqueness. And let's listen to the full thing. Okay, second project up now. I'm gonna show you something I promised in my Telegram channel. I break down one of my beats. I'll show you the whole process right now, loops, drums, etc. First off, I've got this Xenology patch playing these notes. This kind of sound. Second sound is just a single note. This sound. And one more Xenology. As you can see, there are stacks of Xenology. With this sound, also one note. One more Xenology with this sound. One more sound. Next sound I have this one. I like this one. One more Xenology like this. And one more like this. Another one, 9th Xenology with this kind of. And then this one. And finally, last Xenology with this sound. And I also added a layer on top like this. And all together sounds like this. Let's move into the beat project and break it down fully. What did I do here? First I pitched the loop down in -4 semitones. Now it sounds like this. Let's see what's happening here. The kind of hi-hat. Then a snare with it. Just classic stuff. Next open hat, hitting every 2 steps. Then another open hat. I added one more open hat. And then I added some more perks. And this snare on the switches. And everything sounds like this. The snares placed like this. And then we got the 808. And for now, let's listen to the full beat. Now we're in a 77s project and we're gonna break down this beat. And let's go straight into the loop project. Here what's happening. This tritone sound, a cinema pad. Another tritone, just a piano. Then layer with another piano, just regular FL keys. Next up is xenology. Another xenology, short little. Then this one shot. Like violin. On top is a layered ambient sound. And all it sounds is in a master channel, it's also in a stage. It sounds like this without it. And how it sounds with it. And now we're gonna jump into the beat project and we're gonna add a bit more some stuff and we're gonna see how it sounds. The full loop is split into the stems. 2 new sounds are added. This one from the stash actually, and this kind of xenology sound. And let's break down the beat. We got this 808, a hi-hat, then 3 sounds, a snare, an open hat, and another snare. Together they sound like this. Then we add a chant, and another open hat, and one more snare. Oh, and actually this crash. In the second pattern, we just added some extra snares. And let's listen to the full beat. And the last project here, in style of loud music glow, right away we got a melody and drums. First of all, the melody. We have the xenology. Then another layer with the trident, using this sound. Then this xenology with a different preset. And let's hear how the melody sounds. And for the effects, the first sound has a simple EQ, second sound has a pancake and light EQ, third sound has a flangus and EQ, and all three sounds are routed to the mixer channel 5. I already showed this one, let's hear the difference. And now with the effects. From channel 5 there is a send to the 4 with the EQ and reverb. Moving to the drums, we got this 808, a hi-hat, just a clap, then a snare, a chant, a crash, and another snare, and this perk. Let's hear them together. The second part has some rolls. Now let's listen to the full beat. And again, all the sounds used in this video are from the stash kit. There are also loops, of all kinds in there. Plus the loops from the video are included too. And to wrap it up, I'm gonna drop a quick verse on the first beat we made. Let's go. And here's what I came up with. Let's listen.
Bitch, I'm floating. Hatred in a Hellcat. Но штат не так низко. Держи мой экземпляр. Слишком много стиля. Будто выпал rare pack. Don't talk shit to me, ho. Я скрою весь твой свет. Трибуты проклятия. Порванный деним. Я самую демонов, я не буду другим. Грязная вода, это фиолетовый мир. Каждый день like зомби, я не хожу один. Я родился злой, не ищи во мне причин. На мне лед как фильм, твой стиль детский, будто флирт. Я забыл все, что вчера, как будто был логин. Мои строки заражают твой район на карантин.
And that's it. Hope you liked it. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to join the Telegram channel. Links to me on 77 and gloo-kit are in the description. That's it. Peace.